Basis hair growth is being promoted as a solution that claims to regrow hair, reduce hair loss, and improve thickness, but the real question is whether it delivers real results or just makes big promises. The product is typically sold as a serum or supplement using ingredients like biotin, plant extracts, or growth complexes that are supposed to stimulate hair follicles and improve scalp health. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Certain ingredients like biotin, caffeine, or peptides can support hair health, especially if hair loss is linked to nutrient deficiencies or scalp issues. However, here's the key issue. There's no strong independent clinical evidence proving that basis hair growth as a product can significantly regrow hair or reverse hair loss. Most of the claims you'll see come from marketing rather than verified medical studies. There are also some concerns with this category. Many hair growth products are rebranded formulas using common ingredients, and their effectiveness varies widely depending on the cause of hair loss. User expectations are often unrealistic. From general discussions around hair serums, results are inconsistent. Most hair care products are scam unless prescribed. Reddit. This reflects a common pattern. Some people may notice slight improvements, while many see little to no real change. These examples highlight the difference. Clinically backed treatments like minoxidil have actual evidence, while many newer brands rely mostly on marketing. It's also important to understand that hair loss is complex. Genetics, hormones, stress, and nutrition all play major roles, and no over-the-counter product can guarantee regrowth. So, does basis hair growth deliver real results? It might support scalp health or reduce minor hair shedding, but it's unlikely to produce significant regrowth on its own. The bottom line is that basis hair growth appears to be another overhyped hair product with limited proof behind its claims, so expectations should be kept realistic, especially if you're expecting major hair regrowth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.